Hello everyone, myself Chan. Today we discuss about waste management. Introduction to waste disposal. Proper waste disposal is crucial for maintaining a clean and healthy environment. This section provides the overview of key issues and the considering the imagination different types of waste management from the households into industrial facilities. Household waste disposal. Sorting waste. Separating household into different categories like dry, recyclable, wet waste and hazardous terms for proper disposal. Recycling paper, plastic, glass and metal items to reduce the amount of any waste going in the landfills, etc. Industrial waste disposal. Maintaining manufacturing waste. Industrial facilities generates a variety of hazardous non-hazardous waste streams from the products. Progressively, proper waste management is a crucial to migrate environment impact and ensure regulatory compliance. Hazardous waste disposal. Highly toxic chemical, high materials and other hazardous industrial wastes required specialized treatment and disposal methods to prevent this. Medical waste disposal. Segregation. Proper segregation for a medical waste into a categories like shape, infections and the general waste is very crucial to ensure the self-handling and disposal. Proper labeling. Clear labeling medical waste contains very high of a waste management and approximate biohazardous symbols are the essential for the safe handling and transport. Electronic waste disposal. Growing problem. Electronic waste or e-waste is one of the fastest growing waste streaming globally. It includes hazardous electronic devices like computers, phones, TVs and applications that contains hazardous metals that require a special handling. Environmental. Improper disposal of waste management. E-waste can lead to a release of a toxic substance like lead, mercury and the cadmium into an environment containing soil and the water source. This poses serious risks to human health and ecosystem. Recycling solutions. Responsibility e-waste recycling involves automatically device and the recovering the valuable materials like metals, plastics and glass. This reduces the need of extraction new raw materials and the negligence of environmental damage. Hazardous waste disposal. Identification. Hazardous waste includes materials that are toxic, flammable. Proper identification is crucial for safe handling and disposing. Specialized facilities. Hazardous waste requires treatment, storage and the disposal at the legacy. Regulated faculties equipped to the handling these materials is safely. Maintaining detailed records knowing as in a maintained track hazardous waste from the point to generation towards final disposal. Organic waste disposal. Composting. Organic waste like food scraps and the hazardous tremors can be compared to create nutrient-rich soil for the gardening and landscaping. Landfill diversion. Diverting the organic waste from the landfill reduces methane emission and the process landfill capacity and other non-cyclical materials. Recycling waste minimization. Recycling is a crucial component of substances waste management. It involves the processing of used materials into new products, reducing the need for the virgin resources and the waste for landfills. Waste minimizing categories such as a source reduction and the reuse can be significantly reduced to the amount of waste generated in the first place. This includes like buying in bulk, using reusable items and avoiding the single-use plastic. Regulation and policies on the waste disposal. Government around the world had implemented strict regulations of the policies to manage the waste disposal and promotion practices. These regulations covers various waste streams including the households, industries, medical and hazardous waste. Key regulations are often proper the segregation, collection, transportation and disposal methods. There are also standards for waste treatment facilities, emission control and landfill management policies may increases waste. Emerging technology in the waste management. Automatic sorting system. AI powered robots efficiently sorted